Yo, TPG Tech Squad, and welcome back to another TPG Tech Showcase. In today's video, we will be covering another Dell Latitude, discussing its core features and its potential appeal to you together. But before we get started, I just want to thank you guys for your opinions and support on the channel. It's super appreciated and it helps improve the quality and the scope of our content to better help you in your future technological endeavors. Anyhow, let's crack open our computer of the day. Today's computer comes to us from the back rooms of eBay, in need of a screen replacement. It is the Dell 3400 from 2019. Yeah, despite what its number implies, it's actually a newer Latitude. Like, I can definitely see where you could mistake it for an older computer. I mean, aesthetically speaking, it's like it went backwards in time. Just look at it compared to the older 7490, and you tell me. But don't get it wrong. This computer is actually comparable to, if not better than, the 7490 in terms of specs, despite its coarse aesthetic. Sporting an i5 8265U, 1.7 GHz quad-core processor, 4 GB of DDR4 RAM, a 128GB NVMe drive, a full HD display, Intel UHD graphics 620, and Windows 10 Home 20H2. That can be updated to Windows 11 if you so choose. Connectivity-wise, the 3400 does fall short of the 7490 in my opinion, having one HDMI 1.4 out, one USB Type-C 3.1 port, a 3.5mm headphone jack, one SD 3.0 reader, two USB 3.1 ports, one USB 2.0 port, one VGA out, and a Noble wedge lock just for good measure. In user bench, on the other hand, it scores almost the same, if not better than the 7490, despite it falling short due to just me inherently having to use cheap replacement parts. A friend of mine actually asked me, Nick, why do you always get SSDs and the RAM that's super low on storage-wise? Well, that's simple. Because I can't afford to do so 9 times out of 10 because it's a little bit too unreasonably expensive. I did do a test on what is the most appealing specification for you, the buyer, on eBay, and it, for some very odd reason, RAM is the most compelling spec for buyers, at least on eBay. I'm tempted to make a video featuring each of the core components and discussing how they actually function, but the YouTube video would probably be submerged under other videos that already have high viewer counts because the algorithm is just horrible on YouTube. But tell me, what is the most important spec you guys look for when you consider buying a computer in the comments section? For me, it'll always be the graphics cards because you know where I'm coming from. Anyways, this laptop has pleasantly surprised me. Primarily because of the fact that I thought the thing was way older than what it actually was. And the intrigue behind why Dell seemed to have kind of went backwards in design, with it even bringing back the VGA port that wasn't present on the 7490. In terms of handling, like the 7490, it's a nice slim design and isn't very heavy like all the older Latitudes, while also maintaining its great performance, like the newer versions. If you're interested in giving her a try, our computers are always available on our stores on Mercari, Facebook, and eBay, with Facebook being my preferred site due to the lower prices for you guys. And that's all out of me today. See you guys in the next video. Peace out. Hey, glad to see you made it to the end of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe on your way out, and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. TPG out.